trap line. One a day. Might have been something that was trapped inside, which I'm hoping. Today it's about 10 degrees Celsius. Good day for working. Tools of the trade today. And down the back trail. Some more firewood, some room for some younger plants. The wind helps me out quite a bit. Looks like somebody is looking for breakfast. This is new in the last week. So we're going to finish the front here. A lot of fiddling and scribing. I forgot to bring my scribe, so a lot of it is getting done by eye. I've done this end here. Could have been better, but I'll have to seal it anyways. And I'm not going to see that part once we get the steps on. Keep the big animals out. Alright, I'll let you know when I've got something interesting to show you. So, try to show how I'm scribing these. I just get a board that's too long, and I square it out so it lines up with the next flank. The next flank. This one's a bit wide, I'll have to trim it later. What I do, see, this is kind of difficult. Basically, we'll just, I put it up against the log, and then what I do is I just follow the edge of the log, you know, rough it, and then I cut it, and then as I get closer, then I refine it with the pencil by just rubbing the pencil along like this. It takes about 2 or 3 cuts. I have a compass scribe that I used when I was working on boats, and that works really good, but I forgot it at home today, so we're just doing this old school. And that's how I did this one here. You know, you just put it up alongside and you nibble away at it till you get it to fit on the log good, and then you cut it off to length. It works, it just takes a lot longer, that's all. Alright, if there's anything else interesting, I'll let you know. Okay. Project, but I think it looks fine. Get some stain on it. That'll be next. I think I'll put some more stain on it. Finish the outside top and the bottom. Maybe put another coat on the deck. So we got these 2 up there. Yeah, I'm happy with it. And it's not going to keep mice out, but it'll keep larger critters out. Winter coming up, we don't want anybody hibernating under there. Alright, on to lunch. front is all done, as much as we're going to do with it. And it looks pretty good. All we got to do now is figure out what we're going to do for steps. I would love to get some big slabs of stone to make a step, but I haven't been able to get any yet. Probably just going to be 2x8s or 2x10s. One 2x10 across the front probably would do good. I think it would be alright. Alright, so once I've got the trim done on the side